Hello viewers, this is Fasi Ahmed and now currently I'm at Amberpet and I'm with Mr. Samad sir. Samad sir is basically teaching Telugu language within 24 days and he has been expert in teaching the Telugu language in a very less time. So sir, what do you want to say about this thing?
So it is nothing, sir. Here is one thing. If anybody wanted to learn something or any language, whether he should be particular interested in that particular subject or any other what we say majburi.
Yeah.
So this is the two things. If the person had either interested or
Okay.
any difficulty, then only everybody could learn this language. So what happened here actually? So people are saying that how it is possible within 24 hours
Yeah.
and asking so many questions. What I said earlier in this, so that is the only one thing, whether it should be interested or it should be or it is difficulty or majburi or
Yeah.
kuch bhi or kuch bhi or.
Okay, that's nice, sir. Sir, you have been teaching for more than 30 years. How was your experience in teaching, sir?
So this experience, what I told you means I can't explain that,
Yeah.
but every day is a new to me. So that's what experience I got. So
Okay.
that experience, whichever comes in that teaching, every day it is new to me. So that is the experience I got. That's it.
Okay. That's very nice, sir. Sir, currently the world or our complete country is going through the tough situation. I mean, like students are studying completely at home these days. They are not getting flexibility to go to schools. So how it is impacting their lives and how you are like helping them to change their system of studying.
Sir, my intention is to do is the student should attract. The student should attract first. So that's why I am giving first. They should come to attend our online classes. So that is the main basic thing the teacher has to do. And so many people are telling that online classes are not benefited like that. So, mm, but I am also taking the same classes.
Yeah.
So, in that there is everyone is attracting, everyone is learning, everyone is giving their experiences, and they are feeling very happy. This.
I'm very happy to hear this, sir. And currently, like students, there is requirement to learn Telugu because in it is for first language for many students in their 10th standard. So how you are helping them to learn in first language?
Sir, whether it is first language or second language, sir, first of all, I would like to say that that should be comes from their hearts.
Yeah.
So I wanted to learn, I wanted to know, I wanted to do, I wanted to talk like this. This is the way come from their hearts. Then only it is possible. And Alhamdulillah, I am 100% is successful in that doing all these things. So that's what they are learning very. And so many, I have so many techniques.
Okay.
I have so many techniques to do, and not only doing that, implementing the techniques, as well as I am make them to practice here only. So that is the different they are feeling.
Okay. That's very nice of you, sir. You have been teaching from long time, helping students to learn Telugu more precisely, so they are able to learn Telugu. And sir, are you even like teaching them to speak in Telugu or only a written communication you are teaching?
Yes, sir. I am giving all types of Telugu classes, sir. It is for written also, for reading also, and spoken also, sir.
Okay.
Three types of classes are there.
Okay.
And that to be within a short period. Just I would like to say that in our minority uh, people, in our minorities, so many are doing Hifz Quran.
Yeah.
So they never been to school and they don't know about Telugu.
Okay.
Like that, students also, I will train them to read and write in just
Yeah.
2 to 3 days. So there are so many things are there. So I think you are also a student in previous years, and you learned about that basic in Telugu there are 56 letters.
Yes.
But I won't say that there are 56 letters, but now it is only 52 letters. In that 52 letters, you will get only just 45 letters. In
Okay.
that 45 letters, you will learn only 35 letters. Then you will be able to
Yeah.
learn that Varnamala in a very short period. So this type
Okay.
of techniques I have. Why? Because there are so many words not in a applicable, not in a use, not in a use. Just like, for example, I will give you that ru letter, ru.
Yeah.
Ru is not used for many words. It is only 3 to 4 words. So I make them to students who don't go through this ru and a second ru. And the another ru is there are totally useless letter in that Varnamala. So like this, I explained the students to do. You should not follow these are things.
Okay.
So this is the main things you have to learn. So if you do this, Alhamdulillah, you will get easy to learn, read and write like that, sir.
Nice of that teaching whatever you are being teaching in Telugu, sir. Sir, let's come to a different topic now, sir. Currently, like, education system is completely changing. Like before, it was a time where students used to respect their elders, respect their teachers, and they used to follow the ancient methods of teaching. They used to learn from elders. So there was completely a different education system. But currently, there has been a drastic change in education. So what you want to say to students, or what is your definition for education in current days?
I never think that, sir, that giving respect and drastic changes, whatever. The teacher has to dreamt at every night. From tomorrow onwards, what I am going to teach for the students, like that. So if this is happening in our teaching community, then every student and everyone will. But what is happening here, my it is I'm sorry to say like this,
Okay.
but the things are going totally different because of everybody wanted to, so just I will give you a small example for that. So I am teaching Telugu.
Okay.
I am teaching Telugu, and what I should to do, I don't want to give all this time. So my main intention is to how the child should learn, speak, write.
Yeah.
This is enough for the student.
Okay.
How much time it will take, sir? Hardly 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 1 year, up to 1 year.
Yeah.
You take as this. After that, the student is already he has to read all these things now.
Yes.
For example, we are learning WHET what from the nursery LKG onwards, you are up to 10th, up to inter, up to degree. The WHET is what that there is no changes at all, no.
Yeah.
Then why are you scaring and why are you fearing about all these things? The education system should be what we say that totally it is उसको वो एक उसमें डाल के
जी, जी।
घेरे में डाल के रख दिए बोले ऐसा
हाँ,
बता लाइक दिस हैपनिंग इन दिस सो यू हैव टू टीच दिस मच ऑफ syllabus only you have to teach this much of syllabus only no need to go all these things no need to do all these things
Yes, yes.
so the binding system is there so that is making the teachers to
Yeah.
do all these things so that's why even teacher is also what is think what to do all these things simply sitting monthly getting monthly is monthly
Yes, yes.
what we are getting that is enough who cares about the students who care about the schools
Yeah.
this is that's why you are feeling that the education system is totally like this but I am not feel like that the education system even earlier what was the system is there and now is there and in future also then there is no changes at all but the thing is that the teacher should comes from the heart
Yeah.
so that should be enough for that I think.
Okay. It was great talking with Samad sir. I had come to know like more and more knowledge from him. I mean, like he had told how teachers uh, should plan accordingly to teach the students and how they should manage their daily activities and how they should empower students to learn more and more things. So it was nice talking to you, sir. And inshallah, you teach more and more Telugu to the students, and you will be teaching more and more to the students as well. Thank you. Thank you. Nice talking to you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much you